students, welcome back. So far you have learned all about 5 and 6 digit numbers, isn't it? So I hope you all are practicing the problems at home. Today I have decided something. My daughter's birthday is coming here, and so I have decided to invite some friends and relatives to my house for a party. So when I counted the number, I found that there were exactly 27 people whom I had to invite. But when I informed the caterers for the food, I informed them to prepare food for 30 members. Why it was done? Because I could not say sometimes the people may increase. So I just rounded the number to 30. This process of approximation is called rounding of numbers. Also in the news nowadays you can see that many people are dying due to corona. Do you think all those numbers are exactly the same? No, they are rounded. The numbers are rounded. So today's class we are going to learn about rounding of numbers. Numbers can be rounded to tens, hundreds and thousands. So let us go and learn about it today. Are you ready? Okay. Rounding of numbers. Today we will learn how to round numbers. First let us learn how to round numbers to the nearest tens. To round a number to the nearest tens, we have to look at the ones digit. Remember, ones digit. If the ones digit is 5 or more, then it is rounded up. If the ones digit is less than 5, then it is rounded down. Now let us see some examples. Round the number 63 to the nearest tens. The digit in ones place is 3. We know that if the digit is less than 5, then it is rounded down. So, the number 63 is rounded down to 60. Now let us see the next example where the number is 456. Look at the digit in ones place. It is 6 and it is more than 5. So the number will be rounded up to 460. Now let us see the third example. The number 3475. See the digit in ones place. It is 5. We know that if the digit is 5 or more, then it is rounded up. So the number is rounded up to 3480. So I hope you understood how to round the numbers to the nearest tens. Now let us see how to round the numbers to the nearest hundreds. To round a number to the nearest hundreds, we have to look at the tens digit. Again remember at the tens digit. If the tens digit is 5 or more, then it is rounded up. If the tens digit is less than 5, then it is rounded down. Now, let us go for some examples. Round the number 273 to the nearest hundreds. So, what we have to do? First, we have to look at the digit in the tens place. What is the digit in tens place? 7. It is more than 5, isn't it? So, the number will be rounded up. And you know that the number lies between 200 and 300. So, the number will be rounded up to 300. Now, let us go for the next example, where the number 5410. What is the digit in tens place? 1. And it is less than 5. So, it is nearer to 5400. So, the number is rounded down to 5400. Now, let us go for the third example. The number is 8550. Look at the digit in tens place. It is 5. We know that if the digits in the tens place is 5 or more, then it is rounded up. So, the number is rounded up to 8,600. So, did you understand how to round the numbers to the nearest hundreds? Okay, now let us go for the next rounding to the nearest thousands. To round a number to the nearest thousands, we have to look at the hundreds digit. If the hundreds digit is 5 or more, then it is rounded up. If the hundreds digit is less than 5, then it is rounded down. Now again, let us look for some examples so that you will understand it better. Now, round the number 3,340 to the nearest thousand. Which digit we have to see? The digit in the hundreds place. So, what is the digit in hundreds place? 3. And it is less than 5. So, it is rounded down to 3,000. So, the number is rounded down to 3,000. Now, let us see another example. Round the number 4,890 to the nearest thousand. So, the number in the hundreds place is 8 and it is more than 5. So, it is rounded up. So, the number is rounded up to 5,000. Now, let us go for the third example. Here, the number 6,500 has 5 in the hundreds place. Because we know that if the digit is 5 or more, then it is rounded up. So, the number is rounded up to 7,000. So, we have learned how to round the numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousand. It is easy if you follow the rules and do the problems properly. Okay, children? Practice the problems and do the exercises given in the text. Okay. So I hope you have understood how to round numbers, children. Rounding numbers is very important and you should use it in your own daily life also. So go through the video which is attached in this session. Write on the notes and do the exercise problems. Practice and learn well. Follow the rules for rounding the numbers and it will be very easy for you. See you next time. Till then, take care. Stay safe. Stay home.